Hello everyone, welcome back to another weather video, weather forecast update. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the threat of severe weather for Tuesday and Wednesday, with Wednesday being a greater potential for severe weather and a potential tornado outbreak. I'll talk more about that, but there's a chances of it could bust. But, of course, the HRRR model shows supercells. I'll get to that in a minute, though. So if we go to the today's outlook for severe weather, we have a slight risk for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and down in Kansas as well, for potential for tornadoes, hail, and wind. Let me show y'all the models for today's threat. So you see that so by the why is it Shapar saying this will be an overnight event? I don't understand. Oh, it may be. Never mind. So yeah. That's what HRRR shows. So at 4 a.m. it shows some supercells forming in Woodward and Elk City area. Oh, why does it act that way? And then more storms will form and potentially go severe. And then that will move into Oklahoma City by about 8 o'clock in the morning. With raw hail, damaging winds, low tornado threat associated with that. And then the line will move, and then the storms will move into Arkansas. But that's not it. So tomorrow we have an enhanced risk of severe weather for tomorrow. And there's going to be some supercells forming. So you see by 12 p.m., a.m. on the 14th, H-Bar, are you kidding me right now? Okay then. There will be some supercellular modes capable of all hazards of tornado threat. I don't know why H-Bar saying it will be this event will be happening at midnight at night, but okay. But yeah, these are going to be some supercell modes and supercellular thunderstorms that may produce tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds. And the SPC is noting of a few strong tornadoes, which is quite concerning. Now let's go to C2 and show y'all what's going to happen as we get into the let's put up a window capture. We're going to put this on Chrome. Alright, so here's the HRRR model, like I said. So you can see that these storms will form, but these will, and there will be potential for some supercell modes. You can see right about here at 23Z. It will continue, and there will be a continuation of supercell modes, and it will become a linear segment with a potential for QLCS tornadoes. And let me show y'all the instability, because I think we have some instability going in here. Instability is one of the key features to the severe weather, and I wanna actually see if the instability is going to rise up. Is going to get a and there's going to be some instability, some pretty good instability to go with this. If we look at the 500 millbar wind shear, this is the HRRR of wind shear, off of wind shear. Well, this is not good for that. Let me change this up to GFS, because I think GFS has a better view of everything here that's going on with it. But let's get this up, and I'm show y'all what this looks like, and it shows a pretty strong, a pretty strong jet up at 500 millibars. There's like 96 knots, nearly 100 knots on one side. Yeah, this might be a pretty strong event. And I'm looking at some severe weather potential. So that's what's going on there. Let me show y'all the SPC outlook. So again, for today, actually let me show y'all this on the basic free. So for today we have a slight risk of severe weather for Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas. Then tomorrow we have an enhanced risk of severe weather for Louisiana, Texas, Mississippi. We'll be monitoring that situation closely. There. But we do see the potential for some severe weather. I will monitor this. So stay tuned for more updates.